Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 11 biology chapter 3rd plant kingdom part 1st. In this video we will discuss about the kingdom plantae classification. We studied in previous video or previous class about the classification of all organisms by scientist Whittaker. Whittaker classify the all organism in 5 kingdom. First is the Monera, second is the Protista, third is the Fungi, fourth is the Plantae and fifth is the Animalia. So we discuss about in this video about the classification of kingdom Plantae. The kingdom Plantae classified into 5 main parts. First is the algae, second is the bryophytes, third is the pteridophytes, fourth is the gymnosperm and fifth is the angiosperm. We discuss about in this video mainly about algae and their classification. So let us start now. We discuss or describe about algae. What is the algae? Algae are chlorophyll bearing, means their cell have chlorophyll. Simple thalloid means they have no root, stem and leaf like as other plant. And autotrophic means they mix their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and light. And largely aquatic means their habitat is mainly is the aquatic means water habitats. Organism means algae is the chlorophyll bearing, have and simple thalloid, autotrophic and large aquatic organism. Once again we describe the algae. Algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple thalloids, autotrophic and large aquatic organism. Algae also called in Hindi kai. You see your surround in pond and river. Green like structure occurs surface of the pond. They are maybe yellow, green or red. So these organism is the algae and you say in your language is the kai. Algae, reproduction of algae. Algae reproduced by vegetative, asexual and sexual. Reproduce means algae reproduced by the vegetative, sexual, asexual and sexual. Vegetative propagation by fragmentation. You can see this is a algae and they divide in 3 or more than 2 parts and each part make new algae. This is the new algae. New algae. So this process is the fragmentation. So the algae reproduced by the vegetative propagation by the fragmentation process. And again sexual. Algae reproduce by asexual, like as spore. They make spore. This is the spore, and spore makes new organism, new algae. So this process is the asexual. And again zoospore. These are also a zoospore. Means they reproduce by zoospore and spore in asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction, they make gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Male gamete and female gamete. So they reproduce by male gamete and female gamete in sexual reproduction. This is the reproduction of algae. Algae reproduce by the vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction, their body divide into many parts, and each parts make a new organism. These are the fragmentation. And in asexual reproduction, they make spore and zoospore, and spore and zoospore makes a new organism. These are the asexual. And in sexual, they produce the male gamete and female gamete. This process is the sexual reproduction. Here we classify the algae. You can see here vegetative propagation by fragmentation, sexual spore and zoospore, and asexual spore and zoospore, and sexual reproduction by male and female gamete. The algae divide into three main classes. First is the chlorophyceae. Second is the phaeophyceae, and third is the rhodophyceae. We discuss about the chlorophyceae. What is the chlorophyceae? The member of chlorophyceae are common only called green algae. Means all green algae belong to the chlorophyceae class. All green algae belong to the chlorophyceae class. The plant body may be unicellular. Means their body make only single cell. Or colonial. Means their body have many cells in each, like as colony. These are the colonial. And filamentous. They have filaments. Green algae are such example of green algae, like as Chlamydomonas, Wallworks, Eulethryx, Spirogyra and Chara. These are the algae like as Chlamydomonas, Wallworks, Eulethryx, Spirogyra and Chara. Each belong to the class Chlorophyceae because they have green in color. So they belong to the class Chlorophyceae. And again we discuss about Phaeophyceae. The member of Phaeophyceae are brown algae. Means their body color is the brown. Are found primarily in marine habitat, and they found in marine habitat means ocean or sea. Means in Phaeophyceae class belong only brown algae, and their mostly habitat is the marine, ocean or sea. Okay. For example, ectocarpus, dictyota, laminaria, sargassum and fucus. They are belong to the Phaeophyceae because they have their body have brown color. Ectocarpus, dictyota, laminaria, sargassum and fucus. These are the brown algae. So they belong to the class Phaeophyceae. ठीक है. Rhodophyceae. The member of Rhodophyceae are commonly called red algae. They are commonly called red algae. Means their body color is the red because the predominance of the red pigment. Predominance is the red pigment. So their body have red color. So these are red algae and they belong in Rhodophyceae. Are phycoerythrin in their body and also found phycoerythrin in their body. For example, Polysiphonia, porphyra, and Gracilaria and the Gelidinum. These are the red algae and they belong to the Rhodophyceae. So we discuss in this video about classification of algae. We know algae classified into 3 classes. First is the Chlorophyceae. In Chlorophyceae found the green algae like as Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Chlorella, Ulothrix, Spirogyra and Chara. Okay, and again we discuss about the Phaeophyceae. They have brown in color, and again Rhodophyceae they have red in color. You can see your book some algae. They are belong to their classification. You can see here. First, A, green algae, Volvox. This is the Volvox. Second, Chlamydomonas. This is the Chlamydomonas. Third is the Chara. You can see this is the Chara. And second, brown algae. Brown algae belong to the Phaeophyceae. So these are the Laminaria, Fucus and Dictyota. So this is the blue-green algae. And this is the brown algae. This is the brown algae and red algae. Red algae is the Porphyra and Polysiphonia. So this is the classification of algae and their characteristic. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Thanks.